across the region, and temperatures some parts of the region in the 70s today. Matt?
We're still getting into that cooler weather, and we've still had some showers here and there, especially in the river valley. The reason why we have the clouds and the leftover showers is we had that system pull throughout the weekend, giving us a couple scattered downpours here and there. We got a good one in parts of northwest Arkansas. We had some especially in the eastern river valley, but that front has been a big weather maker for the past 48 hours. It quickly swept through Arkansas and Oklahoma, so our rainfall totals haven't been too bad. We picked up just over an inch in Fayetteville, and we've had a couple tenths of an inch in parts of Fort Smith. But as this front went towards our south, our neighbors in Texas, Louisiana, and even southwestern Arkansas they really picked up a lot of water. Here's just looking at some of the rainfall totals. They're on the east side of downtown Dallas, 15 inches, and most of the rain continues to push off now towards the east. You head outside of the city, we still have over a foot and half a foot in many locations. Well, if you look here at home, good thing that this thing quickly passed through. We could use a little bit more rain, but we don't need 15 inches all at once. Big flooding has been going on the east side of Dallas. Airport has been shut down at points, and then the interstate too has been backed up. But here at home, we're just now on the backside of this storm system. We've still got a lot of clouds sitting over us, and as the low pressure spins, we keep getting some of these showers to come in from southern Arkansas and kind of give us a few sprinkles here and there. Right now, most of our showers are in the river valley as the clouds are pretty thick out there, especially south of I-40. Got a few downpours coming in Clarksville towards the Strawberry Bluffs. We have a few more showers coming right towards Boonville, and we've had a few downpours here and there on Kavanaugh Hill and Poto. We're getting a couple sprinkles right now, but in northwest Arkansas, we've had a few sprinkles here and there, but most of us have been dry. I think the same weather pattern comes in tomorrow. The best chance for an isolated shower is definitely not going to rain all day. We'll be in the river valley, mountains south into the river valley. In northwest Arkansas from Greenland and West Fork northbound, there's a chance for a stray shower, but most of the time I think we'll just have those partly cloudy skies. We should be able to get a little bit warmer tomorrow if we can get just a bit more sun, but there's still a chance for about a 20% chance of a stray shower popping up in the afternoon. River Valley has a little bit higher of a chance of those showers come in, but we may be able to squeeze a little bit more sun to try to get temperatures in the 80s. Right now we're only in the 70s. So here's a look at Futurecast. Overnight tonight, a few showers mainly south of I-40. Northwest Arkansas, I think we're pretty good. And then the same thing happens tomorrow as that system just sits off towards our south. But it does look like the next couple of days it should push off towards the Gulf Coast. That's going to help clear us out. So gradually more sun is likely here in northwest Arkansas. And as we get more sun, we should head back to those low 90s. In the River Valley, once we get the sun back, we should hit some mid-90s with our next chance of rain coming in by Sunday of next week.
At least the part of the weekend doesn't look too bad.
Not too bad. And I think Sunday, it might be just one or two pop-ups. Hopefully we can squeeze by this weekend.
Here I am talking about the weekend already.
That's a Monday for you.
Oh, yeah.
It's been a Monday.
Eyes on the prize.
That's right. All right, Matt, thanks.
Well, popular